Pero yung principles lang, yung the will of God, yung following Him, yun lang ang inaano. The will of God.
Pero Tito Jaime, hindi naman ito yung klaseng mga roles, preachy yung dating ng mga roles nyo, mga characters nyo.
Wala masyadong ganyan eh. Kung nga parang may pagkatulala ng konti kasi nga, we end up in this century and we don't know anything about. You know? So, it's like we really I don't know what's happening at the loss, yung gano'n. May although, yung teachings is basically the same kasi wala naman talagang pagkakaibang teaching from the 16th, 17th century to now. Love of country, love of others, love of neighbors and stuff like that. The teaching is the same. Yun lang sitwasyon ang nagbabago. So, siyempre, kailangan namin mag-adapt. Nung nag-a-adapt na kami, tinuruan kami mag-Ingles. Pinasok kami sa pelikula, naging artista pa yung tatlo, naging para kumita. Yung gano'n, kasi walang pera. So, parang gano'n, you know. So, slowly yun. And then, at the end, yun na nga. So, we have to eventually have to go back. So, can you imagine na naman, iba na naman. Yun yung sequel.
Okay.
Sequel yung pagbalik namin doon. Tapos sila Carmi naman ang lilipat.
Yes! Gusto ko yan! Kailan yun?
May gano'n. May gano'n na sila.
Wala.
Sana you help us, this movie. You help us promote so that we can make another sequel. Kasi I have already something in mind there, sequel.
Ba? Meron na pala.
Hindi, wala.
Taga parang mahirap yata yun, hindi mag-i-Espanyol ako doon.
Hindi nga, tuturuan ka ang balik mo.
Ito ay fairness po ng mga Father Rose na nagampanan nyo. Ano po ang meron ditong kakaiba na memorable?
Well, like I said, basically, may torque siya ng konti dito. He's dealing with people like the character ni Jean. Kasi iba-iba yung mga characters namin eh. Si Jean is yung palaging umiinom. Siya yung tipong pare na umiinom na sumusugal. Alam mo, yung ganon. So, pinapagalitan ko yung mga ganon. Basically, yung essence of the comedic taste. Yun ang pagkakaiba. Kasi karamihan ng mga priest roles ko, ng mga seryoso talaga. Like, yun ang batang may bukas pa yung mga gano'n. So,
were you in Gumbolsa?
I played also, but I only played the Spanish Archbishop.
He added a lot of production value sa
Manila.
movie dito because of his Spanish language, proficiency in Spanish language.
Saka ganun casting kasi talagang Espanyol ang itsura.
Yeah, but in the book, it's different. In the book, Father Garcia, it's really Spanish, no? But because he was like, yung anak sa labas, yung of the father, and then when the father passed away, tapos trivia lang ito, and then he was sent away by his not the stepmother, his own siblings, half siblings. So his mom and him left, and then they were taken in by Filipino church, and then dyan, kaya naging parang very pro-Filipino siya instead of pro-Spanish. Because obviously he looks Spanish, di ba? Si Father Garcia or...
May something special doon sa mga pangalan ng tatlong pare na hindi mapanubas sabihin baka Gumbolsa ito or what? Tatlo rin yun eh.
No, I just wanted it funny, Garbosa.
Ano?
Garbosa.
Garbosa.
Di ba Gumbolsa siya? Ang first title, ang title ko in the beginning was Garbosa sa Langit.
Parang pagkain yung Tapos, so Garbosa is for Garcia,
Borromeo, and Salas.
Pinoy mo lang yun. Walang special na nire-represent yung mga pangalan na yun.
Hindi ba totoong pari yan?
Hindi yan. Although, there's a little semblance between Salas and Zamora na mahilig siya mag-gambling. And then I kind of mix it with Maria of Sound of Music.
Wow!
Kanta ng La Cucaracha, gano'n.
O diba? Ika siyang mag-imagine Go.
So the whole story po na yung may time travel, parang sa inyo lahat ng galing yun?
Yeah, I love time travel eh.
Oo.
Lagi kong fantasya, sana maka-time travel ako. Tapos bigla nasa gera ako, gitna ng shoot ng Gaza.
Pero di ba talaga yung komedya sa langit? So parang in-expect nung nagmakamatay sila, parang mamamatay. Pero ang nangyari is nag-time travel.
Oo, nag-time travel sila. there's an eclipse, tapos they travel to another time.
So we expect po happy ending.
Kinda, but again, I said, it can be a dream. Which is the dream you choose? The real dream? Or the real? I don't know. Which do you think is the real dream? It's all up to the audience. If you want happy ending, itong part 2 kunin mo. If you don't want,
So kami mamimili.
nahang siya.
Siyempre gusto namin happy ending. Happy ending!
Miss Susana, ito ba ang first full-length film ni Director Roy?
No, I think it was an AD in, ano ba, isang girl? I forgot.
Pero that was the main director.
Yeah, AD siya.
So binigyan mo po ng break.
I like doing that to people. Kasi me, I also need a break. And then also, some people, they need a break din. So everybody was telling me, if you get, kasi ang daming gagaling na actor, the Father Superior there, is very talented. Kaya lang, nobody wants to watch yung hindi nila kilala. They want to, in fact, when you're going like tour, not tour, when you go to yung mga shooting, lahat sila, sabi ko, nandito kanina pa, ba't walang makikipag-picture sa akin? Rush sila kay Father Garcia. Picture. Dala-dala pa picture ni Jaime sa shooting, di ba? Dala-dala pa niya. Sabi, and then, another priest. And then, kamukha mo, ginaganon siya. Inaabang. Wala kami wala lang.
I have question for our actors. Miss Carly, bilang baguang director yung tumawag sa inyo, how will you describe Direct Roy?
Tama dun sa pacing na ina-expect ng aming producer. Pero nakukuha naman talaga lahat yung kung ano yung gusto ni Kapitana na makuha from that scene. Hindi siya bitin. Okay siya. Okay naman.
Kahit first timer.
First timer ba siya? Hindi ba?
No,
As main director.
As main director.
Okay
Mas
siya.
gusto ko nga AD kasi talaga nagtatrabaho.
Experience.
Oo. Nagtatrabaho.
Tito Jaime.
Yeah, but I think yung experience as AD that helped a lot. So, at least kuhan siya, alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya eh. So, dahil doon napadali din yung trabaho. Maraming nakunan siya. Someday. So, dahil alam niya yung gusto niyang gawin. So, basically gano'n. And I think yung training niya talaga, lahat naman tayo, dumadaan tayo sa gano'n. So, yeah, he's good. He's good. Masaya siyang trabaho actually.
Yeah.
Nagpapatawa,
How will you describe Direct Roy?
Si Direct Roy po sa second time ko na siyang naka-work. Pero yung naka-work ko siya noong una, AD pa po siya noong time yun. Sa Locomoco, sa TV5 po. Tagal na. Ano pa na, parang pa-start pa lang ng showbiz ko na after artista ako. Tapos nakatrabaho ko ulit siya ngayon, ito kami. First time ko siya maging director, okay naman siya, chill lang. And pa nagtatanong ako sa kanya about my character, talaga sinasabi niya yung character ko, ano ba pwedeng gawin. And ayun, on time din siya lagi si Direct Roy. Mabait si Direct Roy and nakakatawa. Solid naman, chill lang.